Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi, and today's video is how I got this super cute curly holiday style. This is a Flexi rod set using the Main Choice Pink Lemonade and Coconut Mousse Bow. This is also a competition sponsored by the Main Choice. So when they post my picture, y'all know what to do. Y'all know what to do. Y'all know what to do. Okay, so I'm super hyped to be a part of this collaboration. I'm super hyped to show you guys this cute style, and I'm super hyped to win the competition. Let's get the ball rolling. I can't wait for y'all to see how I did this. It's super cute. Y'all know I'm the queen of easy breezy. Okay, so this is actually a very, very simple style that I feel like anybody can do because I'm not the most skilled hairstylist or whatever. So y'all will see. Y'all will see, okay, and vote for me because competition really isn't a factor over here, right? Right? Okay, cool. Cool. I'm coming closer to y'all, so y'all know. If y'all don't vote for me, if y'all don't vote for me, why are you even here? Curls popping though. Curls popping though. I had to get it a close up. Ooh. Just roll the footage. Just roll. It's coming. It's coming. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I hit up my nearest Walmart to get my Main Choice goodies. Look at me doing my little shopping thing or whatever. So I was challenged to use the Texture Beautifier mousse from their Pink Lemonade and Coconut collection. So I grabbed that up. I'm gonna do a quick little dance because I have to do a dance for no reason whatsoever. And we are going to hop right into styling. Grabbing the shampoo, I've used this collection before on my channel as well. So if you want to see a more in-depth review, you could check it out. I went ahead and did the 5-minute mask, my first time using this, and yes, we had some slip going on. I put on a plastic cap and that's it for 5 minutes. Once I rinsed that out, I went ahead and blow dried my hair using the tension method. I show you guys here me using a brush and the tension method because I find that both of those together help me get my hair dried the fastest. You see, I'm using pretty big sections, so I was trying to cut down on time and everything, and it really worked out well for me. And look, voila, a blowout. My hair didn't need to be bone straight because I'm going to apply some Flexi rods anyways. So going into styling, I'm grabbing that mousse, the star of the show, and I'm putting my hair into 4 sections. I have a total of 20 Flexi rods, so I used 5 per section. It actually worked out really, really well. So I did one off camera because I'm not a professional, and now that I feel like I have it down packed, I'm going to go ahead and apply the mousse, detangle my hair a little bit more for the nice smooth texture that I would like to have my curls looking like, and I'm going to go ahead and twist. You can flat twist if you would like to, but I love the definition and the volume that I get by twisting on blown out hair. I twisted down about a couple of inches, almost half of my hair, and then I'm going to just roll it onto the Flexi rod. As you can see, I'm rolling and twisting the hair, coiling it at the same time. I'm going to add a little bit more mousse so my ends could be nice and smooth. And I'm rolling and kind of coiling it around the Flexi rod. I hope that helps. And then I just flip or bend the Flexi rod over my ends, and that's it. I'm gonna play it one more time so you guys can see. The sections are pretty large. If you want a little bit more definition, you can use smaller sections. Well, you guys know I'm all about volume and big hair. And from the intro, you saw my hair was looking really, really big and bouncy, and that's how I like for it to be. You guys can, like I said, use small sections if you want. So getting a closer up shot, I'm going ahead and twisting down a couple of inches, And then I think I'm gonna add a little bit more mousse because my hair felt a little bit drier because I have a large section. Adding a little bit more mousse, and I'm going to go ahead and roll it around the flexi rod. I love flexi rods because they give you some length that I find that perm rods and Bantu knot outs don't give you, because you have an option of rolling it down the flexi rod as opposed to wrapping the hair around itself and giving you that coil curl. Here we have a more looser, more lengthened curl, and I love that look. Y'all better vote for me. Y'all better vote for me because I'm not even halfway done yet, but we know I'm about to slay. We know there's no competition here because you know I'm about to slay. So because my hair was dry and I only applied the mousse, this took no time to dry. I also love blow drying my hair before rods because of this also. If my hair was wet, it would be a mess. Okay, I would have had wet hair for days. My hair is so thick, as you guys can see. So I did my hair about 6 p.m. I took the rods out, the flexi rods out at about 10 o'clock the next day. I went and grabbed the ancient Egyptian oil. This oil is, let me tell you something, bomb. I've been using this forever. So I applied that oil, as you guys saw, all over my fingertips, and I'm gonna go in and just untwist the twist. But I'm being very gentle, as you can see, and kind of letting the hair just lay where it wants to lay. It's so cute. Grabbing my pick and picking it out because, listen, volume is my goal here. I'm not running the pick throughout the rest of my hair, clearly just the roots. I love these results so much that I don't want to do anything. I was gonna do an updo, but listen, I can't touch it. I can't touch it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Go ahead and vote for me on the main choice page because, as you can see, look at my hair. No competition. No competition. Sis, what's really good? Go vote for your girl on the main choices Instagram immediately. And I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.